Hello friends, welcome back. How are you all? Friends, let's begin the reading. Let's see what's going on in your person's life and third party. What's going on between your person and third party? Eight of Wands, Eight of Swords, and Seven of Cups. 10 of Wands, Queen of Cups, and Seven of Swords. So many seven, my God, two seven, three seven, two sevens we have got, and two eight. A Fool card, this is a card of new beginning. I feel something new is going to start in your life or your person's life. Definitely a new beginning is definitely coming. Eight of Wands, I see some kind of movement your person wants to make. They want to communicate, but just see the immediate card. What is that? Eight of Swords. This person and the Seven of Swords, they are considering so many options. They are thinking about so many things. They are whole day they are thinking about so many options they have. Definitely they know that this is the cup they want to drink, but they have been showing so many cups. They have considering so many options, or maybe they are remembering you a lot, or they are thinking about the past a lot, the time spent with you a lot. So they are reminding in this water about all those cups and nights spent with you. They are thinking about that, but this person is completely tied down. They don't know what to do. When a person is in a Eight of Swords energy, they feel completely helpless. They are not able to move even an inch. Just see how their hands are tied so tightly, and their eyes are tied down. So how this person is going to see, and plus so many swords are besides them. They can't move at all. They feel suffocated at times. They are not able to move at all. Even the Eight of Wands cards comes now. Person wants to communicate very strongly with you. If they feel like they should come reach out now only to you, but all these cards, connecting cards, are telling me they are not able to move even an inch because of the situations, or because of the third party, or because of their family. All these situations have tied them down completely. They are not able to move an inch also. 10 of Wands, just see this person's condition. You can see how this person is feeling so much pressurized. They feel, and 10 of Wands even is a card of closing a big cycle. So a big cycle is definitely closing. This person is climbing the seas. So you see, just climbing mountains with so much pressure on them. How they will reach with you? He will be very slow only, na. He has to put down all those pressures and all those weight from his body. Then only that person can come towards you. So this was so much pressure on this person. So unless and until they come out from this pressure and this third party and all this third party, so unless and until they can't move towards you. This is a Queen of Cups. They know that you are waiting for them to come, or you are manifesting them. They know that how much love you have for them, but they can't move because he is Seven of Swords. Seven of Swords, in this is a Seven of Swords. How this person is putting his hand on his head and is trying to write something down. Seven of Swords is something of secret also, that some secret they are planning, or secretly they want to write you a letter, or secretly they want to message you, but this person is not able to move because of a Eight of Swords. Because of that, the third party is completely has tied down your person, or if they are in a married relationship, they feel suffocated in that relationship. See, 10 of Cups, King of Pentacles, and 2 of Cups. This is what your person is dreaming right now. Having a 2 of Cups with you, and 10 of Cups, a big family, and children's, and all this kind of energy the person is in. King of Pentacles means person wants to bring this dream. You can say a dream, a 5D dream into a 3D reality. They are dreaming about this. They want to ground this truth into reality, but they are not able to manifest right now because of third party or situations, whatever your person is right now in. Let's see what third party is doing with your person right now. Queen of Wands, your person. I think third party is teasing your person a lot right now. If they are not communicating, or if even if they are communicating and they are having fights, so because the third party is party is teasing your person a lot, and because of those teasing, your person is running away from them at present. They want peace, they want happiness, so they are running away. They are asking questions to gods, they are asking a question to universe, what is the future of their future, what whom they should go with, the third party or with you, because they are not able to make a decision right now. And page of wands is coming, so definitely this person is breaking some cycle, I feel. So they are trying to I'm again twice as you can see a person is trying to run away. They are trying to run away from the situation, or they are trying to run away from something. Whenever I do reading in for this in third party, I see a person running away from third party, but I don't know where they are running. I don't understand that. Well, they are only running only. Either they want to run away or somewhere, or I don't know where what they want to do. See the 10 of cups. This person is not happy at all in the third party situation. Just see 5 of pentacles. Even if they are in a same house with the same with the third party, they are sitting alone. They must have locked down themselves in the room or something like that. So you can see this room and this key and all. This person is not happy with the third party at all. And ace of swords. Even if there is a communication, it must be very very, can you say, very hard communication, very truthful communication. You say that on the edge of the swords, you can say that kind of communication, very sharp communication between both of them. Both must be telling each other very sharp words, or very pointing words. This kind of communication is there between the third party and your person. They are communicating in this way, if they are communicating at all. See, yeah, the 3 of cups. The person is third party situation. Definitely, this person is in the third party situation, and they are continuously asking God only for help. And this star card is also a card of hope. Star card is also a card of healing. So you can say that they are healing from the third party. They want to heal from the third party situation, because they are completely, you can say, broken, or they are completely bruised. You can say their heart is bleeding. You can say, because of that they want that peace, that peace of mind. You can say, when some person is torturing you a lot with their words and sharp words, and not telling you good things, you don't want to hear all those things. You want to run away from all those things, and you want a peace of mind, so that you can relax and search for your answers. Because at times the more important thing is peace. You can understand, in this lockdown period, sometimes a person needs peace. Peace is more important than these fights and everything else, because the wheel of fortune is coming. Definitely a cycle is closing in your person's life with the third party. Let's see what third party is going to do more. Let's see. Poverty card is coming, and journey card is coming, and lovers card is coming. Third party is definitely not happy. Also, they are also not happy with your person at all, because the kind of relationship they previously shared with each other, that is not there at present. So they are not happy at all. Third party is not happy at all with your person, and they are feeling nostalgic, and they are feeling how they used to be before, how the relationship between them was before. They are reminding all those things, but they are not happy at present, because the love is lost between both of them. So because of that, the third party is also not feeling good at all. You can say that they are also feeling very bad, and they are not in a good condition, you can say. See, again and again I am telling you, just see this card, victim mentality. The third party is also playing a game of victim mentality. They are feeling they are victim, and your person is harassing them, or your person is not treating them good, because the love is lost between them. So they feel that your person have made them a victim. This is the kind of situation, and they are back forth kind of situation. Sometimes they are talking to them, sometimes they are not talking to them. This situation is also not making feel good to the third party. Third party is not feeling good because of your person's behavior, because they feel that the true love, third party came towards your person feeling like they were their true love, and your person also felt that they were the true love. But now the situation has changed completely, and this back and forth kind of situation has made third party feel like they are the victim, and they are no, not in a good position, and they feel tied down, and they are not feeling good. I feel this is the situation of third party more than your person. This is the situation of a third party. Even your person is feeling the same, but third party is also feeling equally the same thing, you can say that. Okay friends, thanks for watching. Hope you like my reading. Please like and subscribe.